Welcome to this course on mixed media sketching. My name is Jamesk.ssekamatte and I am a freelance artist and online instructor. Outside of art, I am a writer and civil engineer, but today I'm going to introduce you to the world of mixed media sketching. Mixed media sketching is an amazing art form that we artists use to express ourselves. In art, one of the most important fundamentals for creating visual interest is through contrast. But contrast is not only in color or value. It can also be between mediums of expression. You will get different results depending on how you use this contrast. But in today's course, we're going to be utilizing only two mediums, and we shall be utilizing each to varying degrees so as to come up with an amazing and realistic portrait. The mediums we are going to use are charcoal sketches and digital painting tools. So by the end of this course, you should be able to breathe new life into your pencil sketches and explore different design decisions that were not possible with only one medium. I have provided a full brush pack, a reference photo and pencil sketch I drew that we shall be working with. So feel free to download all the material and follow along as I take you through the course and my workflow. Looking forward to seeing you in a lesson.